Hey, what's up guys? Are you looking for a single story with an RV garage here in the southwest side of Las Vegas? Well, don't go anywhere guys, because today we're here at Consenza by Lennar, and today we're gonna be touring the Evan floor plan, so stay tuned. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new to my channel, if this is your very first time tuning in, my name is Dale Abella with eXp Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Las Vegas. Now what we do on my channel is we go over all the new construction communities here in Las Vegas. So if this is something you're interested in, if you're planning on buying, moving, or selling here in Las Vegas, do me a huge favor guys, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, hit the notification button. That way you stay up to date with all the newest communities here in Las Vegas. So today is April 13th, 2025, and today we're gonna be touring Consenza by Lennar, which is a single story community here in the southwest side of Las Vegas. Now, if you're unfamiliar with the southwest side of Las Vegas, the nearest cross street is going to be Blue Diamond and Rainbow. Okay, so southwest is a great area, highly desired. We're going to have like easy access to the freeway. Like on this Rainbow Street, there's gonna be plenty of good restaurants, some shopping, some stores. We're also close to Blue Diamond as well. So there's like a Target over there and more restaurants. So the Southwest is definitely a great area. Now, I will have the floor plans on the screen for you guys. So they offer 3 different floor plans here, okay? They offer all single story. They're gonna offer the Evan, the Eleanor, and the Williams. Now, these are single story homes that they're gonna range from about 2488 square feet all the way up to 3776 square feet, okay? Now, guys, I have the base prices on the screen for you guys, but just so you know, with the base price, you have to add the lot premium and the upgrades, okay? Now, here at Lennar, I wanna say that, so they're a spec builder, right? So most of the homes that they're gonna be building out here, they're gonna be picking out all the options, but if you wanna pick out some of the options, you just have to get into a lot that doesn't close for about a couple of months, because then you may be able to choose like flooring and cabinets and whatnot. But if you want the best deal, definitely go with a move-in ready home or a quick move-in, because there is definitely some wiggle room, okay? So for example, from the base prices that you guys see on the screen, they have like a move-in ready for the Eleanor. It's priced at 1.2 million. They've done a price reduction, so it's 1.15. Now, they also have a William floor plan. After everything, upgrades, lot premiums, it's priced at 1.25. It's been reduced to 1.17, okay? This community is fairly small, guys. There's about 27 homes in this community. 3 of them have sold so far. And I forgot to mention the smallest floor plan, the Evan, that's the only one with an RV garage. So if an RV garage is important to you, then get the Evan. Out of the 27 homes, 8 of those lots are gonna be for the Evan floor plans, which is gonna be the RV garages. And the other ones are the 19 of them are gonna be for the Eleanor and the William, okay? The HOA here is $140 a month. To be honest with you, there's not that much amenities out here. So the HOA just pretty much covers like the outdoor, the maintenance, the upkeep of the neighborhood itself, okay? But yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Let's get started with this tour. All right, guys, welcome to the Evan floor plan. Now the Evan floor plan is a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 2,488 square feet, single story with an RV garage, and the base price as of today is $893,990. Now they do have a move-in ready home with the upgrades. Total is $958,534, but because it's they did a price reduction on that, so it's priced at $903,534. Always gonna have the most wiggle room, get the best deals on move-in ready homes. This is what you could expect: paver driveway, desert landscaping. Looks like we have a gate to the side, right over there. Now this floor plan, actually, I live in a Lennar house, and the floor plan is called Elizabeth, but it's very similar to this floor plan here. So, okay, so nice. We have this like 8-foot door. So we walk in. So welcome in, guys. When you walk in, you're gonna have 9-foot ceilings. Okay. So further down, when you go straight into the right, you're gonna have your primary bedroom and laundry room. Now, right over here, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms that will have a Jack and Jill bath, okay? So again, I live in this looks exactly like the house that I live in. This would be my office right here. Okay, so this is bedroom number 1. All right. Now you're also gonna have a walk-in closet. Okay, pretty spacious walk-in closet. You're gonna have your sink right here. What's gonna be shared is you're gonna have your toilet and your shower tub. Okay. And then this is gonna be connected with this bedroom right here. Okay, looks like they're still working on furnishing this model home. Okay, so you got your walk-in closet. Got some nice upgraded flooring here. So this is your powder room. Okay, look at that beautiful tile down below. I wish this door was open so I could show you what the RV garage looks like, but unfortunately it is closed. But it is massive in there. So welcome to the main living area. So you're gonna have your living room right here. That's going to be your dining room. Okay. Nice, beautiful kitchen. Really spacious island. Looks like we got the waterfall island. Massive walk-in pantry. So you can see. Now guys, if you're watching this video and you're thinking about going to a new construction community and checking it out for your very first time, do me a huge favor, give me a call, shoot me a text. I would be honored to go with you on your very first visit. Now, if you're working with a realtor, that's okay too. Just make sure they go with you on your very first visit. Just don't go by yourself, guys, because once you go by yourself, the builder agent's gonna ask for your name, your phone number, and email. Once you give that to them, they're gonna log you in their system as having no representation. And at that point, it's hard to get you representation. But the main difference is the builder agents look after the builder's best interests, and we look after your best interests, okay? So that's why it's important to get yourself some representation. But yeah, it looks like we have some cabinets right here. It's kind of hard to pull out. Oh, okay. So nice. Plenty of cabinet space. This is the included refrigerator as well. Okay, you're gonna get the monogram kitchen package. See, it looks like they're done furnishing the living room, but the dining room they still have to work on. Okay, so right over here we have your coat closet. This is gonna be your laundry room. Nice, so it does have a sink. My models actually doesn't have a sink. But then we have attic access right above. Okay, optional washer and dryer. Cabinet space right over here, plenty of cabinets. Cool, we got the smart panel box here. Now this is how you'd connect your router and your modem. Okay, so welcome to the primary bedroom. Right. This is a king size bed, so you do have plenty of space. Okay. Yeah, the Evan's actually a little bit different from my model. This bathroom setup is different. Okay, so you have your toilet right here. You got your 2 sinks, standing tub, walk-in shower. Okay, look at that beautiful tile surround. And then pretty good size walk-in closet. All right, guys. Now, if you have any questions regarding this floor plan, if you're curious to know the incentives, or if you just need help with the, buying a new construction home, guys, again, reach out to me. But thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll definitely catch you guys on the next one.